Hey ladies and gents, welcome back into the channel. We are looking at SHIBA INU today. What could potentially happen next for SHIBA INU, because we have been covering it a lot recently, and to be fair, SHIBA has actually respected the 0.000025 support level very nicely. You can see it actually attempted to break below that twice. It still hasn't, even with this little shakeout we've just seen, it still hasn't broken below that particular level. And I do personally believe that we will see SHIBA go up again in the next coming weeks if we do see meme coin season wave 2 come up. And at the end of the day, meme market is sitting at $60 billion right now, and even despite this small little downtrend we've seen for the last sort of week, we are still up so much more than when we were about 1 or 2 months ago. So we're still in a very good place, and I know these markets do feel a little bit boring, but look at where we were just literally in February. We were down here, you're up over 2x, and you're complaining, you're getting bored. If you bought down here, you're in a great place. But of course, for the people that FOMO'd, maybe you are getting a bit complacent, you're getting a bit bored, you're getting a bit worried, and therefore people start to sell, they get bored, they move on to another thing because they see it pumping. So I personally think SHIBA INU will pump again soon. $16.16 billion market cap at the moment. And guys, if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe if you want to hit your crypto dreams this 2024. Now, just want to dive into some very fast news very quickly. SHIBA INU loses steam as whale offloads 500 billion tokens. I mean, this naturally does happen as people get bored, they lose belief, they wanted something to happen quickly, and now there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. So this fear kind of creates overall sell-offs. Maybe people made profit and just wanted to take out the profits quicker. We don't know why people want to sell, right? SHIBA INU experiences significant downturn in investor confidence. SHIBA INU, a popular meme coin, appears to witness significant downturn in investor confidence. This comes after a single entity speculated to be controlled by one person across 11 wallets. He offloaded a massive 533 billion, which the sale amounted to $16 million in DAI. So that's quite a lot, but I think even though we saw this big sale happen literally just a few days ago, we've actually seen a fantastic recoil. It's still looking very strong. So I wouldn't really feel too worried about it. Yes, you could say they started selling, before this downtrend begun, maybe around sort of this area here, so that it has come down and it could have reaccumulated. But overall, I think we're still looking pretty solid. Now, SHIBA INU is doing something very interesting, because when we go back to 2021 pump, it traded sideways for 28 days after its first initial major green candle. What we are seeing now for SHIBA INU is broken through 28 days. It's actually gone over the 28-day threshold, which is very new information. In fact, we're at 37 days since the major initial pump. So this is very new, but the important thing overall was that we don't break this 0.25 support level. And to be fair, if we actually kind of look at what's going on, we haven't broken the 0.25 support level. I'm not saying we won't go back down, but what we can see is every time SHIBA INU does get close to these sort of levels where we are breaking that support almost, you can actually sort of see it getting a lot of buying pressure. It's actually looking pretty good. It's looking decent, and that's what I like to see. I like to see these strong buying candles here. On the daily, we've got a nice green candle as well. We do need to see another retest back to the 0.3 region, because losing that 0.3 is of course quite annoying on a psychological level. But I still think there's a lot of room for upside potential here. And I think if we just look at this wave, we corrected down here, but we had an impulse, then we corrected, but we didn't put a lower low. We have not yet put a lower low. We actually corrected down to what looks like just the 0.786 fib level, and that beautiful bounce off this 2.5 support level is obviously writing in something very strong. So I do think we could see another pump to the upside. If we look at this swing high here to this swing low, we can see the coin has come up to the 0.786 Fibonacci. So that's also an interesting thing to look at. 0.786 would take us to $0.000031. Now, this is all speculation, but I do think we could see SHIBA sort of reverse, hopefully, in a bullish way, to this sort of blue rectangle here. Of course, I don't know the future. It could still come down lower to 0.2361. That would be a disaster if we broke the 2.3 level. And if we then broke even further, we'd be looking at the 0.2 level, which is right there. And of course, we have just so much support below us at the moment, and that's something also quite interesting to think about. What else happened? Anonymous user burns over 105 mil Shiba Inu at once. So there's obviously quite a lot of like Shiba Inu. So many ads on this, it's disgusting. Shiba Inu community burns 110 mil Shiba in 24 hours, but the price slumped. So yeah, you know, that's not really a lot of Shiba Inu when you actually kind of look at the overall supply. Not a very significant article, but obviously we are seeing burning, and every little kind of burn matters overall to help reduce some of that large supply. Now, fear and greed index is 71 at the moment, so we still have greed in the markets. We are not in a bear market, we are in a bull market. So it's different when you see a correction now versus, you know, the bear markets, because these downtrends usually are not long term. And it has just been a month where Shiba Inu has been in a downtrend and consolidating sideways. So we are hoping to see Shiba Inu pump more. If you do want to trade some Shiba Inu, by the way, you can use MEXC. I've got a link down below where you can do Shiba Inu trading and spot buying or leverage trading, KYC free and fully anonymous. The link is down below. Not financial advice, of course. We're 17 days away from the Bitcoin halving as well. So this is very exciting. Speculated to be 20th of April, roughly. And guys, if you also want to explore a new meme coin in the crypto space, we're still doing updates on this in my Discord and Patreon and stuff. Doge 20, 16 days to go, over $10 million raised. So if you do like your dog themed meme coins, this is a new ICO that could potentially go crazy. There's no inflation with this like Dogecoin. Doge 20 is on the ERC20 network with a powerful, strong roadmap. We can see right here, they've got 140 billion tokens in the max supply, and I think it's around 35% is allocated to the pre-sale. So really cool. You've got the token address here. Overall, could be a very good one. You can buy it by connecting your MetaMask wallet, and simply all you got to do after this, after the MetaMask wallet connection, is convert Ethereum or USDT into a desired amount of Doge 20 tokens. Could do really well. They're up to 12.3k followers. Claim is going live on April 20, which if you didn't know is International Doge Day. So this is also very, very bullish. Do a bit of research down below on Dogecoin 20 should you wish. And of course, become a patron, guys, if you want to make some more money behind the scenes. For example, we did an early call on a coin called Credify just a few days ago, right? And many of these lovely people, the VIP legends here, have made profit. They got in at 0.025. The price is now 0.054, so made over 2x. You can see this guy here, just literally, you know, the proof is here. I already sell the initial investment, riding on profit, and he thanked me for it. So love this sort of stuff. If you also want to have these sort of insights and early calls, then please do check out my Patreon down below and join my Discord channel as well. It's certainly worth it. At least that's what they say. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new here. Like this video. Comment as well. And I'll see you very shortly. Bye for now. Stay crypto safe. Peace.